What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, and in today's video we're gonna be covering Tectonic. All the Tonic holders out there, thank you so much for tuning into the video. We know Tectonic will be an absolutely banger of a project when it goes into the next bull cycle, and we'll be talking about a potential exchange listing of Binance in the future. There is possibility for Tectonic to get listed on Binance in the future. Now, think of it this way, Tonic holders, Tonic fam, there will be a number of different catalysts that take place in the bull market. So while the project is already being sent to the moon in the bull market, there'll be catalysts that are that happen as well to increase the amount of potential gains a project like Tonic could get in the future, and we're gonna be doing our best to go through that in this video. If this is something you're interested in, meme coin daily, 1,200 subscribers. If you hold Tonic, you're part of the Tonic army. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Supporting this video could get it out into the algorithm, guys, and get new eyes on the project. Consider this another form of marketing Tonic to the crypto space, guys. Now, right now, when we take a look at Tectonic, it has 29,385 people that has it on their watch list, just under that 10 mil market cap. Like I said in my previous videos, Tonic will be ranging with the broader markets. It will be going sideways, pretty much a crab market. 61k, $790 in 24-hour trade volume, down 52%. That's fine. A part of the Chronos ecosystem, which is one of the main selling points for Tonic, guys. Don't rule it out, because this is the thing as well. It is on crypto.com. Crypto.com will be one of the leading projects going into the next cycle and into the future of crypto. I really do believe crypto.com is here to stay, and a project like Tonic will be going on that crazy exponential run with crypto.com being part of the Chronos ecosystem and one of the top projects on the Chronos ecosystem. You just have to give it time. You just have to diamond hand, accumulate, and exercise patience. Now, when we take a look at the DEX tools chart of Tonic, you can see it is has been going into a correction, sideways accumulation and correction. It's pretty much following the broader market. Bitcoin, Ethereum has been doing the same thing. It makes a move to the upside, and then the bear step in, because we are in a bear market, and then the price corrects, right? We go into another sideways phase, and then the bears step in once again, and then the price corrects. And right now we have this floor that we're seeing right here. I am hoping for more just sideways accumulation for Tonic. Do a bit of a crab for a bit, follow that crab trend like the rest of the market, and eventually make a move to the upside. Now, we have seen inflation coming down when we take a look at the Fed reports and the Fed statistics. Inflation is coming down, and I think the next meeting for the Fed would be in March. So say inflation comes down January, further and further for 2023, January, February, March, and then we have the Fed meeting. The Fed just pauses the raising of interest rates, and then 2023 will be a crazy good year for stocks, crypto, and Tectonic will follow as well. Now, this is the thing with a project like Tectonic sitting at around 10 mil market cap. The thing is, it has the potential for huge upside in the future. 1 billion market cap, 3 billion market cap, 300x, 5 billion market cap. You guys really, you can't rule that out. 500x in the future. You can't rule that out for Tectonic, guys, because we will see a crazy bull market like we've never seen before whenever the next bull market happens, because the Fed has raised interest rates the way that they have. I'm sure they will add a bunch of liquidity to the market, and we will see the most epic blow off top in the crypto space. And a project like Tonic, with all the upside potential that it has, will see absolutely insane gains in the future with a stock market and crypto market blow off top. Remember, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the lead market movers, and then alts follow as well, right? So when Bitcoin is ascending to crazy levels, altcoins will follow as well, and Tonic will as well, because it has such a great community, you guys as the Tonic holders, and such a great team that is developing and building throughout this bear market. The project is not going anywhere from where it's at. We have content creators and people on all different social medias platforms that speak about Tonic, so there is always constant know-how and constant coverage of Tonic, which is absolutely bullish for a project. There's a lot of other projects that have faded into the wind and won't be heard from again, but not with Tonic, guys. Now, as we can see right here, Binance.com price Tectonic, and Binance right now tracking the price of Tectonic, guys. That is very good to see. I actually wouldn't rule out huge tier 1 exchange listings for Tonic in the future. Right now, Tonic is listed on crypto.com. A lot of projects would love to be listed on crypto.com, one of the top exchanges, but I wouldn't rule out a Binance listing for Tectonic in the future, guys. I've noticed Binance lists a lot of DeFi projects. When I go through a lot of the Binance charts, a lot of the projects that are on Binance are decentralized finance projects. And what type of project is Tectonic? You guessed it, a project that is focused on DeFi, decentralized finance. So you really can't rule out what the future would hold for a project like Tonic, guys. You really can't, put it past, what most would believe the impossible to be possible to happen in the future for Tonic, guys. And after corrections and accumulation phases, think of it like a spring, guys. I always make this analogy. Think of it like a spring. The project is in this crab market, accumulating, just going sideways. The spring is tightening, compressing constantly until we have this huge expansion, insanely, incredibly, right? Think of that with Tonic, and think of the spring just absolutely expanding out to the upside. Now, I know a lot of people are focused on removing zeros, eating zeros. How many zeros can a project like Tonic eat? I know people love to focus on eating zeros. How I like to calculate is through market cap, right? So we have $10 million in market cap right here. You have $100 invested, 10x would be $1,000. You have $1,000 invested in Tonic, 10x would be $10,000. $10 million times 10, 100, or 10 times 10, 100. $10 million times 10, $100 million in market cap. $10 million right now times 100, $1 billion in market cap. And the thing about that is you can't rule out $1 billion market cap for a project like Tonic, guys. Let me explain why. I've been in the space and I've seen a bunch of meme coins. Meme coin daily is the name of the channel. I've seen a bunch of meme coin go to billions of market cap. Billions. It was absolutely insane, and that was the last bull market, right? That was the last bull market. Now, this is because in a bull market, we are at peak FOMO. We are at peak retail and hedge funds, institutions, the bankers, the stock market money coming into the space, right? When they enter the space, when there's so much new liquidity in the space, the bears literally can't outbid the buyers, the people that are long, the people that are leveraged long. So there's just constant short squeezes over and over again, constant short squeezes. This is why it's called a bull market, where things just constantly go up and move to the upside on a consistent basis. Whereas right now we're in a bear market where the buyers are completely exhausted. There's no new buyers in the space, not much new liquidity coming into the space. So that's why we see the bears absolutely ruling the market. Just shorters, the people that are short on every project, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of these things are absolutely banking right now because there's no one there to liquidate them with short squeezes, right? So 100x for Tectonic would be $1 billion in market cap. Let's do it one more time. 10 million market cap. Let's say 400x. $4 billion in market cap. So $100 times 400, like to work it out by market cap, guys, would be $40,000. You get a 400x. $1,000 times 400, $400,000. That's a 400x, right? Even with just 100x, $100 times 100, you guessed it, $10,000. $1,000 times 100, $100,000. Wouldn't you be happy for gains like that? I definitely would be. Just manage your risk, never invest more than you're willing to lose, and you can't rule it out. You really can't. Expect the unexpected when it comes to crypto, guys. Nothing is impossible when it comes to crypto. I've seen it time and time again. The amount of time that I've lost out on gains because I haven't held a project long enough. I didn't diamond hand. The amount of times I lost out on gains because I faded a project that I thought would never do well in the future. You know what I mean? So yeah, don't ever rule out anything in crypto, guys. Crypto is very unexpected. Just manage your risk, never invest more than you're willing to lose. A project like Tonic, I see, could do absolutely incredible in the future because once again, Cronos, Crypto.com, being one of the top projects on Crypto.com. When Crypto.com, Crow, let's go to the Crow. Let's go to Cronos. Let's go to Crow. Take a look. $1.4 billion in market cap for Crow. Say Crypto.com gets to $100 billion, $200 billion in market cap. That would be so many new investors in the Cronos ecosystem. The FUD has already been taken care of. There's no more FUD surrounding Crypto.com. The future looks absolutely bright for Crypto.com, Crow, and the Crow project as well, and Cronos. Let's be honest here. $1 for Cronos, easy. That would be $25.263 billion in market cap. Absolutely easy to do, right? $100 billion for Crow, I wouldn't rule that out either. And then projects that are built on the Cronos ecosystem, exclusively on the Cronos ecosystem, some of the top projects on the Cronos ecosystem as well, like Tectonic. Tonic will go absolutely bonkers, guys. It will be absolutely insane for the future, guys. Now the Tonic Twitter is sitting at 53.6k followers. The follower numbers keep growing consistently. Just takes time. As time goes by, the growth just never stops for great projects in the space. And we have a tweet recently: good morning, fam. I wonder what the Tonic team has planned. You know, majority of the time when it comes to projects like this, they only let you guys know when something is ready to be delivered. They don't just make promises, they deliver. I've seen projects time and time again that just make promises and never deliver. Not with the Tonic team. And like I said as well, Tonic community, you guys are super based, and I appreciate you, everyone that support these videos. Like I said, consider this a form of marketing as well. So be sure to support content creators that cover your projects, because it does take time to make this content and it spreads the word. Tonic holders, right now there's 36,388 Tonic holders in the Tonic community. That is absolutely bullish. 36,388. And the craziest part, there's so much potential upside. There's meme coins in the space that have hundreds of thousands of holders. Tonic is not a meme coin, it is a DeFi utility project. Of course, in the future, Tonic could get to hundreds of thousands of holders in the future. I would not rule that out. I could see that definitely happening for Tonic. Tonic holders, Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. if you hold Tonic, if you hold Crow, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if this is your first time hearing about the project, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. Do you think a potential Binance listing could happen for Tonic in the future? Like I said, I would not rule that out. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.